Hello everyone, let's fastly create the presentation slide for today. You see it's looking great. Let's try to create it. At first we need to add a new slide. In the new slide we need to create the shapes. The shapes are two rectangles, 1 and 2. Okay. We also need to create another one of them, one here and 2. But the main problem here is that how to align them by the way you want. It's really easy. It needs something for you to understand how we can align them. At first, create a rectangle, the place you want to write your text, and then align it center and align it middle. Then it's okay. We color it, for example, something like green. Then we create our two rectangles from here, 1 and 2. Then we bring it to front, increase its size by holding Ctrl. Then create two copy that we want, 1, 2. Now delete it. Your shape has been created and it's really aligned. Now we select all of them, go to shape from shape outline to none, and then color them blue. But with a little difference, we select this two and reduce the transparency of these two text, and then add our text and recolor it to blue. And then here I'm going to do something more amazing. What I'm going to bring it to front to 0 and bring it to 0. And after that, I'm going to bring it down and bring it out and bring it in. Okay, it's good. Let this two have a no. Let's make this two better looking. Okay, everything is ready. Now just here we set the transition to morph. Let's see what we created. We see it look pretty amazing. If you like it, tell me in the comments, and have any concern I can answer for you. Have a nice time.